Saving money feels safe. Investing money feels scary. And that feeling alone has quietly decided the financial future of millions of people. Not because they lack intelligence, not because they don't work hard, but because fear convinced them that doing nothing was the smart choice. Most people don't lose money in the market. They lose money avoiding the market. And today, we're going to break down why that fear exists and how it quietly keeps people stuck forever.
Welcome to the Bamboo Invest. Let's get into the video.
Number 1. The shy saver mindset. There's a personality type nobody talks about in finance. Not the gambler, not the reckless spender, the shy saver. This is the person who saves consistently, avoids risk at all costs, doesn't talk about money, feels uncomfortable even thinking about investing. On the surface, they look responsible, but under the surface, something dangerous is happening. Their money is frozen, not growing, not moving, slowly losing value to inflation, and they don't feel confident enough to change it. Number 2. Why fear feels so real. Here's the truth most finance channels avoid. Investing is not logical, it's psychological and social. People aren't afraid of numbers, they're afraid of being wrong, being judged, looking foolish, losing money publicly. Money mistakes feel personal. They feel like a reflection of intelligence and worth. So people stay silent, they stay cautious, they stay stuck. They choose emotional safety over financial progress. Number 3. Why saving alone is no longer enough. Saving used to be enough. It's not anymore. When inflation exists, cash sitting still is losing power every year, quietly, relentlessly. Your bank balance might look the same, but what it can buy keeps shrinking. So while shy savers feel responsible, they're unknowingly choosing a slow loss. Not investing is not neutral, it's a decision. And usually it's the most expensive one. Number 4. The big reframe. Investing is not gambling. Here's the mental shift that separates confident investors from everyone else. Investing is stewardship, not gambling. Gambling is emotional. Investing is systematic. Gambling looks for quick wins. Investing accepts time. Confident investors don't try to be smart. They try to be consistent. They understand small amounts matter over time. Mistakes are part of learning. Waiting for certainty guarantees stagnation. Confidence doesn't come before action, it comes from action. Number 5. How confidence is actually built. Confident investors weren't born confident. They started small, felt uncomfortable, made mistakes, learned by doing. The first step is never about returns, it's about participation. The moment you invest even a small amount, your relationship with money changes. You stop fearing it, you start understanding it. And understanding kills fear. The real shift isn't from saving to investing, it's from avoidance to ownership, from hoping things work out to intentionally building something. You stop asking, what if I lose? And start asking, what is it costing me to stay frozen? That's the moment everything changes. From shy saver to confident investor. Not loud, not flashy, just calm, informed, and in control. And that mindset, more than money, is what builds real wealth.
Don't forget to hit subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment below.